Real estate has always had a certain pull. It's tangible. You can see it, touch it, and even swing a hammer around in it if you're feeling handy. For many folks, it represents stability. Plus, there's the potential for profit. Who hasn't heard stories of someone buying a fixer-upper, putting in some sweat equity, and selling it for a tidy profit? But is real estate really all it's cracked up to be as an investment? Like any good business proposition, it's got its pros and cons. Before you jump into the real estate game, let's break it down. We'll look at the good, the bad, and everything in between. By the end of this, you'll have a better understanding of whether real estate is the right move for you. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when you're talking about putting your hard-earned money on the line. First, the good stuff. Real estate can generate a steady income stream. Rent checks coming in every month, that's a beautiful thing. And unlike some deadbeat tenants, property generally appreciates in value over time. Of course, location is everything in real estate. A dilapidated shack in the middle of nowhere? Not so much. But a well-maintained property in a desirable area? That's a recipe for long-term growth. Plus, there's the tax man to consider. Real estate comes with some sweet tax advantages that can save you a bundle. But it's not all sunshine and roses. Real estate is illiquid. Need cash quick? Selling a property takes time. And then there are the unexpected surprises like leaky roofs and busted pipes. Being a landlord isn't always glamorous. Now for the not-so-fun part, the risks. Real estate isn't for the faint of heart. The market can be volatile. Remember the housing crash of '08? Yeah, not pretty. Prices can go down as well as up. Then there are the hidden costs. Property taxes, insurance, maintenance, they can eat into your profits faster than a termite colony on a picnic table. And if you're not handy, get ready to shell out some serious dough for repairs. Don't forget about vacancies. A vacant property is like a hole in your pocket, draining your finances. Finding good tenants can be tough, and dealing with bad ones is even worse. Evictions are a landlord's worst nightmare. So yeah, real estate comes with its share of headaches. Section 4. Weighing your options: real estate versus other investments. So, how does real estate stack up against other investment options? Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, they all have their own pros and cons. Stocks can offer higher returns, but they're also riskier. Bonds are generally safer but offer lower returns. Real estate falls somewhere in the middle. It's not as volatile as the stock market, but it's not as predictable as bonds either. It's all about finding the right balance for your risk tolerance and financial goals. One thing's for sure, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. A well-diversified portfolio should include a mix of investments, including real estate. Section 5. Finding the right fit in the real estate market. So, is real estate a good investment for you? Well, that depends. Are you looking for a long-term investment with potential for appreciation and passive income? Do you have the stomach for some risk and the willingness to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty? If you answered yes, then real estate might be a good fit. But if you're looking for a quick buck, or you're easily spooked by market fluctuations, you might want to steer clear. Remember, real estate is a long game. It requires patience, diligence, and a healthy dose of common sense. But for those who are willing to put in the effort, it can be a rewarding investment. Just make sure you do your homework, understand the risks, and invest wisely.